Hey, what's up guys? Alex here with ToolRev, and today we're looking at the portable folding table from DeWalt. This is a plastic table with metal legs. It has a push button leg release that works great. I've only had this for about 6 months, but I use it all the time, opening and closing it, and so far it's held up really well. You have lots of clamp holes and slots here for clamps. You also have side holes that you can put clamps into, so you can clamp things this way. It has a little indent here for your fasteners, and when it's fully open, this handle pops out, and I found that very useful for hanging tools and towels and stuff off of. The other thing I like about this is when you fold it up, it just stands up on its own, so it's really easy to store, and this stands 33 inches high, so with the saw on it, you get about a 36-inch deck height. And yeah, this is pretty much one of my favorite things right now. Definitely my favorite work table. So I hope this helps you out, guys. That's it for me, and I'll see you next time.